This printf function is coming from the programming language C, the standard library provided by C itself. And in here is going to be the printf function, again, very similar to up here. And it's important to note that we are actually, in both of these lines really, we are using functions rather than creating our own as we did for this. Here we're actually creating our own function. We're then going to look within the parameters that this function will take. The first parameter is going to be a string, which is going to be what is actually getting printed. This is the only required parameter. And we can notice how strings themselves are cool in that they have certain placeholders and special characters, specifically dictated by the parentheses, which is going to be for our placeholders, and then the backslash, which is going to allow us to insert special characters that aren't really normally strings, like we do with this backslash, where that n is going to be actually creating a new line for us. So this %s, we said, okay, percent is going to give us a placeholder. What comes after the percent is s, which dictates that the placeholder is going to be of type string. And where we're actually going to say what this placeholder is going to be is when we say name, which is what we got earlier from the user that put in their input. And we know that it was a string, so it makes sense that it says string here, and it's a %s for string. And that \n, it's really the backslash can go for all kinds of special characters. But in this case, we want it to be n, which represents a brand new line that it'll